back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and I just ordered a Kanken backpack, and I will link it in the description for you guys. And let's just get right into this video. So this is just what it looks like in the package, and it's in the color plum, and it's a 13-inch laptop backpack. And this is just what it looks like. It's really cute. It expands a lot. And it's also waterproof. So if it rains, it like expands and keeps the water out of your backpack, which is really cool. Also in the bag, there were like Swedish fish because, so if you didn't know, this backpack is from Sweden, and it's the Fjallraven Kanken. I don't know how to pronounce it. It has this little like clasp so that if you want to, you clasp it, and you can just hold the bag like this if you don't feel like wearing it on your back. And it also comes with padding. The laptop backpacks do come with padding, but the other ones don't. And so it just has this front zipper right here. It has like 2 side pockets for like water bottles, but it only fits like those like plastic water bottles. And this is just like the laptop pouch, which is in the very back of it. And in the front pouch, it just looks like this when you open it, and it has like this little padding in the back. I guess it's for like your back or something, so it's like comfortable. I don't know. And just like where you can put your name, address, and your contact information if it ever gets like lost or something. That's basically all the compartments of the backpack. And so I will go get some stuff that I'm gonna take with me to class, and I'll like show you how much more room there is in it. So first I'm gonna put my laptop in there, and it's just a MacBook, and it's a 13-inch. And so I'm just gonna put it into the laptop pouch, and it like fits, like there's still a lot of room on the top, so it fits perfectly. Okay, and I'm just gonna leave this cushion in here just for like my back and stuff. So the next thing I'm gonna put in here is my 5-star notebook, and it's a 5-subject notebook. So I'm just gonna stick it in here, and then I'm gonna also put my pencil case, and this bag is just from Lily Pulitzer, so I'm just gonna stick it in here. I'll also stick this in here. It just has like my feminine products. There's still like a lot of room in here. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but like, yeah, like in this area right here, like there's still a lot of room that I could fit like more books in here if I wanted to. I'm just gonna put my calculator also in here. Okay, so then I'm just gonna put my pack of gum in there, and this is just my Germex, so I'm just gonna stick it in here. This is my ID, so I'll just keep this here. I'll just stick it inside the small pocket too. Okay, and then just sticking a water bottle on here. Okay, there. So yeah, it fits perfectly inside. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!